Lesson 1.7, Horizontal Asymptotes. Vertical is up, down. Anything left, right is horizontal. So vertical, horizontal. We know from the last lesson that if a function has a vertical asymptote at x equals 2, let's say that the right-hand limit goes to positive infinity, it goes up and up and up. We can describe this with limits. If the function is f of x, we can say that the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the positive side is equal to positive infinity. Some functions have a horizontal asymptote. Here's an example. We see that as x gets larger and larger, as we go to the right more and more, our line is approaching the value 1. When that happens, we can say that there is a horizontal asymptote at y equals 1. And since we're going more and more and more positive in the x-axis, we can describe this by saying that the limit of f of x as x approaches positive infinity is equal to 1. So let's look at some examples. Example 1, describe the asymptote using limits. Here we have a horizontal asymptote. Our function approaches y equals 2 when x becomes larger and larger. When that happens, we can say the limit of f of x as x approaches positive infinity is equal to 2. Example 2. Once again, we have a horizontal asymptote. This time, as we go farther and farther to the left, the function is approaching the value y equals -1. So we can say that the limit of f of x as x approaches negative infinity is equal to 2. Okay. So this is how we can describe asymptotes, both vertical and horizontal, using limits.